This is You Try It video 3. It follows the third lecture in MathSpace Tutoring's free course on PreAlgebra Lecture 3. If you need tutoring for junior high, high school, calculus, linear algebra, differential equations, look us up on Facebook at facebook.com/MathSpaceTutoring. This course is free online, available from Rice University's openstacks.org. Check it out and download the book to follow along with the lectures. You Try It 1.5. Find the place value of the digits listed in the following number. Okay, so I have the number written out here. And let's identify all these periods. Here we have the ones period. And the next period to its left will be the thousands period. And the period to its left will be the millions period. So the first, we're asked to find the value 2. 2 is right here. It's in the millions period. And then we have 10 million. So it's in the 2 is in the 10 millions place. B asks us to find the number 1. Number 1's in the ones period. So we'll have ones, tens. So 1 is in the tens place. The number 4 is right here in the thousands period. So we'll have ones, 10,000, 100,000s. So 4 will be in the 100,000s place. 7 is right here in the millions period. It's in the first one, so we'll call 7 the millions place. And 5 is right here in the ones place. Find the value of the digits listed in the number 5. Oh, I'm not going to read the number. Just here's the number. So we added another period onto this one. So we'll have ones, tens, millions, or ones, thousands, millions, I'm sorry. Ones, thousands, millions, and next to millions is billions. So the biggest period here now is billions, and here's the number 9 we're asked to look for. It is in the billions period in the first place, so 9 is in the billions place. 4 is right here. It's in the thousands period in the ones, tens place, so 4 is in the 10,000s place. The number 2 is in the ones period, so we'll have ones, tens. So 2 is in the tens place. 6 is in the thousands period right here, so we'll have 1, 10,000, 100,000. So 6 is in the 100,000s place. And the number 7 is in the millions place. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. So 7 is in the 100 millions place. You Try It 1.7. Name the following number in words. Okay, so remember here, I'll rewrote the number down here. The first thing we need to do is find the name of the highest period on the left of the number. So the highest period would be over here, the left. So we'll have ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions. So the first period is trillions. And then we're going to write the name of each number in the period, followed by the period name and a comma. So the number in this period here is 9 trillions, 258 billion, 137 million, 904,000. And when we get to the last, the ones period, we don't name the period. So the number in this period is 61. So we just simply conclude with 61. Then we make sure that each period is separated by a comma, and it is. You Try It 1.8. Name the following number in words. So I've reproduced it here. Again, we're going to find the highest period on the left side of the number. So that was going to be ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions. So the largest place value is trillions. And then we're going to write the name of each number in the period, followed by the period name and a comma. So the largest period is trillions. So we have 17 trillion, 864 billion, 325 million, 619,000. And we're not going to name the ones period, and the only number in the ones period is 4. So the last word here is 4. So we have 17 trillion, 864 billion, 325 million, 619,000, 4. Make sure that we have a comma between each period, and I believe I do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You tried 1.9. The population in a country is this number right here. We're going to name that number. All right, so here I've reproduced the number. Remember, the first thing we need to do is find the highest period to the left of the number. So there's ones, thousands, and then millions. So the largest place value is millions. And we're going to write a name of each number in the period, followed by the period name and the comma. So the first number is 316, and it's in the millions period. So we'll have 316 million, 128,839. And again, we do not name the ones period. And we'll make sure we have a comma. You don't need to capitalize 839 here. That's my problem there. So we have a comma here and a comma there. You try it. 110. 1 year is this number seconds. Name the number. Okay. So this one's actually different. When we have all zeros in a period, we just skip the period. So we're going to find the name of the highest period on the left of the number. That's going to be the millions period. And we're going to write the name of each number in the period, followed by the period name and a comma. So the biggest number here is 31,536,000. And that's it. And there shouldn't be a comma at the end of that. I apologize for that little error. We're not going to name the ones period. Well, there's nothing in the ones period. So we're just going to skip the ones period. And we do have a comma between both of the periods. So 1 year is 31,536,000 seconds. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.